So guys, I decided to make this challenge to prove to you that the strategy is really working. So I'm starting with this $10 and I would try to go up as high as I can. Remember, I got this signal using my own strategy, and those who already the students who already have access to my course, please go back to chapter 5 episode 3. There's some updates to the strategy, the way I use the strategy, especially the way I use MACD. There's some updates. Was change the strategy was updated due to the changes that took place in the market lately. So please guys, if you don't have access to my course, you can go directly to my website, binarystrategycourse.com. The link is in the description of this video. So as you can see, I'm using 4 indicators only: MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and the parabolic SAR, Bollinger Bands. So guys, I'm saying that the strategy, the indicators alone are not enough. I always say that. Yeah, so the first win, $18. Let's put everything. Yeah, it was clear. I guess the market will go up next. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's going up. Must go. Let's put everything. Let's go up. Yeah. So as I was saying, guys, indicators alone are not enough. Please keep this in your mind. You need a good plan, a good strategy, a good risk management method, and you must know some fundamental analysis. Indicators have this lack of context. Like they can't predict. They can't predict and detect market sentiment and use event that can significantly impact prices. So all of a sudden, an event or a news can drive market down or up, and this movement can be detected by indicators. Yeah. Second win. So I guess we should go down next. Yeah, let's put everything. Let's put 34. Let's put it 34 and let's go down. Let's go down. So as I was saying, guys, indicators alone are not enough. All right, you need some fundamental analysis also. Like the indicators ignore the underlying values and financial health of an asset. They don't look at this. They will only give you like a chart or drawing of what is calculated by previous and historical data. They will rely on historical data too much, and this is not good, because since they are based on historical price data and patterns, this means they reflect past market behavior. And markets like as you can see in the euro pound and on the binary assets and crypto, the market, let's go down. So the market is dynamic. And yeah, my market are dynamic, and past performance does not always predict future results. Please keep this in your mind. Past performance does not always predict future results, especially in volatile markets like or changing conditions like in this case. So please be careful, because indicators are the term lagging indicators is used. I guess that you heard about it before. Yeah, we are already at over $100. Let's put $100, and yeah, I guess we are. Yeah, should go down. We should go down. Yeah. And remember, I'm not using indicators alone. I'm using chart patterns, a strategy that is based on these indicators, but not the indicators alone. So lagging indicators term means that they provide signals after the market has already moved. So the signal that given now by the indicator is calculated from what is already given by the market, and this is not indicating future. This is indicating past only. So potentially leading to delayed entry and exit points. Let me just take this one. Yeah. The signal is perfect. It was easy. Yeah. This one. This one was a little bit, not too much, but a little bit risky. And yeah, a little bit risky. And this is not. Mm, yeah. The market should stop going down. But I don't know. I'm just following the strategy, and let's see what will happen. Yeah, because the indicator is saying that the market should flip, and sometimes indicators give you false signals. They can generate false signals, so be careful, especially in Shopee or sideways markets. Yeah, market that is volatile and move too much. This can lead to entry or exit trades prematurely, resulting in losses. So keep this in your mind. Let's just take this beautiful win. Let's go down. Let's go down. So guys, I'm following the strategy and what the strategy is saying, and yeah, this is enough for me. Yeah, and I'm not saying that the indicators are bad or will always mislead you. No, I'm not saying that, because all my trading strategies are based on indicators. Indicators is an important factor, an important element in my strategy. But I'm not relying on indicators alone. This is what I want to tell you. I'm not relying on indicators alone. Yeah. Yep. Let me just open another one. So this signal was perfect. I was looking for the signal for a week. I finally found it. So this is my second account, by the way, and I'm trying to yeah, I'm not trying to grow this account for over like $10,000 something. I would just keep it low. Once I make something like $6,000, I will withdraw, and I'll keep doing this. And with my second account, I have a lot of money, and it's hard. It's hard to withdraw money from it. I hate this problem with these trading apps and trading platforms. They will give you a hard time when you ask for your money, when you ask to withdraw your money. Yeah, I guess we should change it to $200. Yeah, let's start trading with. I don't like over trading. I don't like oversizing. But yeah, this is my second account, so no problem. I don't like trading with more than 1% of my actual balance. But in this case, since it's my backup account, I'm just doing it. No problem. I start with $10. Now I'm at around $400. If this is a win, I will be at $400 or $500. Yeah, more. I guess more. Around $600. So yeah, um, if you don't have backup account, if that's all you have, please don't trade with over 1% of your actual balance. So don't over trade. Even if your strategy still is 100%, there's no 100% strategy. But if you have 100% strategy, don't put all you got on one single trade, especially one single trade, and don't risk all your balance. Just long term. Think about long term growth and long term profit, because sometimes you can make a lot of money, but at the same time, at a cost, or at, a lot of risk. So you will risk a lot. And what I'm telling you to do is stay low, don't risk too much, and think about long-term growth. Yeah, let's go down. I guess that we'll still have few trades to open. Yeah, we still have few trades to open. I'm going to do it. Um, yeah. Also, guys, fundamental analysis is not the best. It's not my strength point, but I advise you to learn fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is good, but fundamental analysis is also important. It can save you. It can save you sometimes. I guess we still have the last trade to open. Wait, yeah. This is the last one. We already made almost $1,000. Yeah. And remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money. It's risky. Binary options is risky. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. Please be careful when trading with real money. You could lose your money. So don't trade with money you can't afford, and don't risk your money. Don't lose your money. And how you will lose your money? By using a bad strategy or no strategy. So yeah, be careful, test your strategy, spend years in testing your strategy before you start really trading with real money. Great. So yeah, we are at $1,149.50. This is beautiful. We started with $10. That's great. Yep. So hope that you enjoyed, guys, and see you later.